Good evening, everyone. See, I would like to talk on Salam Bombay Foundation and its program. Basically, my name is Deepak Patil, and I'm part of Salam Bombay Foundation. Salam Mumbai Foundation is one of the branch of Salam Bombay Foundation. Salam Bombay Foundation basically work on tobacco control, and so Salam Mumbai Foundation, which works in rural areas, and Salam Bombay Foundation, which works in urban areas. So basically, Salam Bombay Foundation registered in 2007, and our prime motto objective is that making all schools tobacco free, and that's why we have engaged and trained our trainers. See, basically at in Maharashtra, we are working in all entire districts of Maharashtra. There are 34 districts in Maharashtra, and out of Maharashtra, we have replicated this program in other state of India as Rajasthan, Karnataka. We are Karnataka in Dharwad and Haveri districts, and Gujarat, West Bengal. So we are in 7 states of India, and basically in order to reach large number of children and teachers, it's very difficult to go and conduct no sessions with children, teachers. So that's why we have developed different strategy, like we train the trainers, we train the trainers, and once they get trained by trained by Salam Bombay Foundation, then our trainers go to their districts and train other teachers. So that is the strategy we have developed, and then of course we engage with ministry and stakeholders, because at large level we required permission from the government and all these things. So that's why once they get motivated from Salam Bombay Foundation, we get permission from education department, and then we started implementing program at pan India. So basically these are the objectives. In order to achieve these objectives, we have replicated program in different part of India. So next. So as I said before that it's very difficult to go and meet each and every child, each and every trainers, teachers. That's why we are develop different strategy. We train the NGOs, we train the our stakeholders like master trainers. So initially, so we have started program in Chandrapur districts. It's a part of Maharashtra, and it's very remote areas and tribal areas. And initially we started program in 10 villages, where we realized that tobacco consumption rate is very high amongst the male and female both, and adult and youths also. Initially when we did survey in the 10 villages, we found that almost 45 villagers using tobacco, all the tobacco types of product. It includes supari also. So what we feel is that supari is also equally harmful to the tobacco, because in Maharashtra, sweet tobacco is banned by government, not by NGO. It's banned by government, but it's not properly implemented by enforcement agency. That is different part, but it's banned by government in Maharashtra. And and then gradually we feel that it's a burning issue not only in small districts, burning issue in all over the Maharashtra, because as of now, if you the GATS data says that almost in Maharashtra 26% adult use tobacco in Maharashtra, and if you think about the India level, 29% rate tobacco consumption rates in India. So that's why we started implementing program Maharashtra, gradually expanded program in Maharashtra. As of now, we have covered all the districts of Maharashtra. We directly go each and every district. We train the teachers. We have developed lot of digitized material and hard copies and all these things. And based on that, they have started teachers and NGOs started implementing this program as their own in the schools and community. So in 2014 in Raigad district there is a Masla block, and there are around 136 schools are there, right from first to 12 standards. So all these schools have become now tobacco free. We have kind of evidence of that all these schools. Now if you go and meet the teachers, you will find that no one teachers are consuming tobacco. How can we say that these schools are tobacco free? There are criteria developed by CBSE board, and based on that criteria we declare that these schools now is become a tobacco free schools. These are the criteria. We followed that criteria each and every level. And in 2050 we have conducted pledge activity in Yavatmal district across districts, and that pledge registered in Limca Book of Record. And we also got that Vyasan Mukti Award, Mahatma Gandhi Vyasan Mukti Award from Maharashtra government, because of greater work on tobacco control at India level. And see now what we feel that see there is some kind of limitations. If as a NGO we are talking with teachers like talk on ill effects of tobacco, COTPA, tobacco preschool, etc. So earlier it was not become a mandatory to the teachers. Like they were saying it's NGO's agenda, it's not our agenda. How can you say that you talk on tobacco, ill effects of tobacco and tobacco preschools? But now we made kind of advocacy with the government, and now in 2015 government got convinced and they integrated like anti-tobacco messages in school curriculum in Maharashtra. I'm talking about Maharashtra. And in 10th standard also they have integrated anti-tobacco messages. See, and government in Maharashtra government has also developed kind of like government software where we integrated that all 11 criteria in that system, so that now it's become a mandatory to all the teachers, like they have to have enter all the tobacco preschool data in that system. So in 2017 we succeeded on that. And so this is overall journey of Salam Mumbai Foundation. We initially started program in 2007, and now we are in the 7 state of India. As of now we trained around 80,000 teachers at 7 states, and now around 4,000 schools have become tobacco free in the state of Maharashtra. So that is the milestone of Salam Mumbai Foundation. Next. So we have developed like digitized material. So as of now we have different kind of films and all these things. We have developed tobacco preschool app. Once you type on Google Play Store, the app will come on practice, and then teachers and NGOs can easily enter the data in that tobacco preschool app. So we get all the evidence. See now before 2 months back we declared Nandurbar districts in Maharashtra that this district is a tobacco free district. Why we declare that district? Because we have kind of evidence. No one can challenge that. How can you declare this district? See, and the second thing, important thing is that as a NGO we don't have that kind of power that we can declare the school district is tobacco free. No. So we convince magistrate that see we have like 1,400 evidence received from the teachers, and based on that you can declare that this is our districts and all schools have become a tobacco free. And then Mr. Malinath Kalseti is the collector district magistrate of that Nandurbar districts, and he declared that our districts all schools are tobacco free districts. And now this year it's like a dream of Salam Mumbai Foundation that we are expecting that in Maharashtra there are around 1,09,000 schools in Maharashtra, and we are expecting that all schools should be a tobacco free. But how can we make that schools tobacco free unless we get data from the teachers? So I mean we'll talk on that, the barriers of that tobacco free school app. And now we have developed Salam Mumbai Foundation websites, and where we have uploaded all the films, stories, booklets, and lot of best stories, success stories, government GRs, notification, FDA notification, etc. So we have also Salam Mumbai Foundation book page developed, learning management system. Like anyone now, this learning management system is a like a kind of website. Anyone can, if you want to learn something about tobacco control program, and once you complete that course you will get certificate online. So that system will come in practice after maybe 1 or 2 months. So it will help to strengthen program at village and school level. So that is overall about digitized material, and really I mean I can say that this digitized material helped us to strengthen program at school and community level.
I think the challenge that these guys are facing, and I'm interjecting here, is that they have enough digital information available to them, but it's standalone and it's static. It's not, does not have any intelligence in it. They've not been able to do any predictive analysis, nor are they been able to do some prescriptive analysis, which could be further used as influencing mechanisms. So the opportunity lies here is that there is a mine of digital data that's already in place across all Maharashtra, and that's a significant amount of data set. If that can be put through an engine which can provide some intelligence around it, it will give us better decision making, Second, a lot of their process is today manual in nature in terms of data collation and in terms of other aspects. So how can that be digitalized? So that's the opportunity statement out here that we have from the team. So open to any questions you have?
Yeah, please.
So, I mean, this is a very big success story. Congratulations. I guess my question is, what kind of data do you have on the basis of which we can make some kind of predictive analytics? So, for example, data on individual students, some or class level, so that we can make some predictions about. This student is not going to become tobacco free, or this student will become tobacco free, or something on the basis of which we can say this student needs more intervention and this student does not need intervention. Something, I mean, so that we can do something of that type with respect to prescription. So I wanted to get some idea of what you're thinking.
Yeah,
about.
actually, so we have collected school-wise data, not, we don't have individual data at present, but it's a really good idea. But now this is our learning. See, now we are also replicating program in, now just we have replicated program in Uttar Pradesh, district name is Pratapgarh. So there we have done baseline survey with the children and teachers. But in Maharashtra, we don't have that kind of baseline survey data.
So the basic concept is if the children is kept far from tobacco and other like harmful things till up to the age of 18, then it's very likely to he will be like stayed away from whole rest of the life. So that's why we are it's very difficult. Like the Maharashtra state has only 1,09,000 schools itself, and it's very difficult to reach each individual students, and as a NGO we don't have that much capacity. So the design was to work with the schools, and we have guidelines from the CBSE board. So if we could make schools tobacco free, then the children don't have the access, or they are not exposed to these kind of stuffs, and it's likely to impact their life positively. So idea was that. So we have data, like we have schools. There is a UDIS number. Each school is identified with the unique identity number. So with that number, schools can log in. Yeah, sorry.
So just because time is short, let me ask: is it so from the school level data? Would you be interested in being able to make some prediction about this school is going to do well, or this school is not going to do well? Because based on that, then we can intervene on one school versus another school. Is that the kind of problem that you're interested in?
No, I think we are open. What you suggested, we can also explore that. And the major concern was the schools are itself not doing. They are not entering the data basically. So the reach is the concern also. And though we did like district level trainings, we did all block level trainings, but the teachers are not that convinced. Maybe some IC material can be added to the app. So the reach is the concern, and yeah, individuals.
Which kind of problems we are facing as regarding tobacco preschool app? See, teachers, the mindset is that if you are doing such kind of work, so government give us online data and all these things. It's extra work for them. And second thing is that like low connectivity in remote areas, electricity problem. So such kind of problems also we faced. So that's why we don't get much more data from the teachers. And so, yeah.
So thank you guys. Can we take the question and during the breakout sessions, right? So the team is available.
One point which came up in conversation with their program head was that they have this trainer program.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of disparity in the quality of content which gets delivered from one trainer to another because of transmission loss. So they wanted to make the program more uniform and apply the best practices from the most successful trainer to the other trainers. So maybe they were like, can you track that what this trainer does better so that we can replicate that trainer XYZ.
All right, thanks Richa for it. So now we'll get the Bempu team up and talk to you guys about their program.
Thank you. Thank you.